welcome to Baking and Brewing with Baba Dominique. Today I'm drinking a Belgian DUBBEL. It's a little dark, pretty mellow, a little sweet. Today we're making my take on a McGriddle. So we're going to start with some English McMuffins that are gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free. And we're going to make our own beef sausage patty. Then we'll be doing some fried tofu as our egg. It's going to be exciting. And of course you can't have a sandwich without some melted cheese, so that'll be in between. So today we're using 390 grams of authentic foods bread flour. We have 10 grams of yeast, 4 tablespoons of coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin organic olive oil, 1 tablespoon of the meat egg mixture mixed with 4 tablespoons of warm water, my beer, and my KitchenAid. Gonna mix that for about 5 to 7 minutes with the dough attachment. So right about when your dough starts looking a little bit soft, you're probably going to be about a minute to 2 minutes away from it being done. You want it to be nice and smooth before you take it out and get that yeast activated before we roll it and then cut it. So we have our dough ready to go. We're going to roll it. I like to roll it a little bit more smoother before I start rolling it out long ways. Do your best to keep it evenly formed. We're going about 3/4 of an inch wide. Then we're going to cut into shapes. We are spreading out some amber rice cereal malt, kind of acting like our semolina on top of the rolls. Eckert Malting Company, they do a great job malting rice. Butter in the pan, it's nice and warm. Let's lay down our first muffin. Looks like we got some motion. Let that hang out. Sausage patty. We have about a pound of ground beef, a tablespoon and a half of green curry paste, 3/4 teaspoons garlic, and Hungarian paprika, and salt. I'm getting in DUBBEL the TRUBBEL. Throw in some onions to go into our sausages so that way we don't cook our sausage as long as we make it dry. Now that we've hand pressed our patties to the sizes of our buns, we're going to cook them on butter. Dairy-free butter, of course. We'll do a flip and then toss the cheese and then steam finish. fry our tofu egg substitute. Got a nice hot pan for our tofu fry. Bon appetit. So, I'm getting double in trouble. I did that wrong.
Okay, do it again one more time. I'm getting in DUBBEL the TRUBBEL. Say it. Say it. Say it.
I'm getting in double the trouble.
Okay, say it again.
Okay. I'm getting double in trouble.
You really want to say DUBBEL and TRUBBEL, but you're not. I'm getting in DUBBEL the TRUBBEL. This is great. You're getting an outtake now for this.
No. I'm getting double in the trouble.
No. Why is there in? There's nothing in. You're not getting in TRUBBEL. You're getting in DUBBEL the TRUBBEL.